Spring has arrived, and just as it's time to tidy up our homes, it's also the perfect opportunity to declutter our minds as well. Mental spring cleaning is essential to living our best lives, and we've got the steps to help you spruce up your squash with another Wellness 101. Step 1. Daily mindfulness. Take a few minutes each day to sit quietly, breathe deeply, and observe your thoughts without judgment. This simple act can help clear away mental clutter and create space for clarity and calm. Step 2. Get physical. Physical activity is another powerful tool for mental spring cleaning. Whether it's yoga, a brisk walk, or dancing to your favorite music, moving your body releases endorphins that elevate your mood and reduce stress. Step 3. Feed your mind. Nourish your body and mind with wholesome foods. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins provide the nutrients your brain needs to function optimally. Remember, a healthy mind starts with a healthy body. Step 4. The power of gratitude. Gratitude is a potent elixir for mental well-being. Take time each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for. It shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant in your life, fostering a positive mindset and reducing feelings of anxiety and depression. Step 5. Get creative. Engage in activities that spark joy and ignite your imagination. Whether it's painting, writing, gardening, or playing music, creativity is a powerful outlet for self-expression and can serve as a therapeutic tool for processing emotions. As you embark on your mental spring cleaning journey, remember that it's a process, not a destination. Be patient and compassionate with yourself. Small, consistent steps can lead to a significant transformation in your mental well-being. So let's welcome this spring by nurturing our minds, one mindful breath at a time. Until next time, this is Mr. Wellness saying be well and follow the steps to a healthier you.